Yan. Assalamualaikum. Let's eat. That's the lunch for today. Grilled chicken. Yummy. Mashed potato. Yes, mashed potato. Yan ang aming lunch. Kasama po ng chicken. Mixed salad. Yan, mixed salad. Mixed salad. Tapos, yung mashed potato, ayun. Yan, ang aming lunch for today. Hummus. Ayan, yung hummus na chickpeas, yogurt, tahin, lemon, salt, pepper, and garlic, and lemon juice. Yan. Yan siya. Tapos, meron siyang buong chickpeas on the top para lang decoration. Yan siya. Let's eat.